Ever wondered if paying yourself first could change your life? Let's dive in. Join Money Smart Basics in 2025 as we challenge ourselves to pay ourselves first every month. Follow my journey and see if it really leads to financial freedom. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. Have you ever noticed how most people spend their money? They pay their bills, buy groceries, maybe treat themselves to something nice, and then whatever's left goes into savings, if anything at all. Sounds familiar? This is a common scenario for many people, and it often leads to financial stress and a lack of savings for the future. That's the old way of thinking. It's a mindset that prioritizes immediate expenses over long-term financial health. Pay yourself first flips the script. Instead of saving what's left after spending, you save first and spend what's left. It's a simple, yet profound concept. Before you take care of anything else, you set aside a portion of your income for your future self. This means that your savings and investments are prioritized above all other expenses. It's about prioritizing your financial well-being above all else. By doing this, you ensure that you are consistently building a financial cushion that can support you in times of need and help you achieve your long-term goals. This isn't just about stashing away a few dollars here and there. It's about making a consistent and deliberate effort to save and invest a portion of your income regularly. It's about making a conscious decision to invest in your future, to educate yourself about financial opportunities, and to seek advice from professionals when needed. To build a safety net, a financial buffer that can protect you from unexpected expenses and emergencies, and to achieve your financial dreams. Whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or starting your own business, paying yourself first can help you turn these dreams into reality. It's about taking control of your money instead of letting it control you. When you pay yourself first, you're making a proactive choice to manage your finances effectively. By paying yourself first, you're essentially telling yourself, my financial future is important to me. This mindset shift can lead to more disciplined spending and better financial habits. It's a powerful statement that can transform your relationship with money. It can help you reduce debt, increase savings, and achieve financial milestones that once seemed out of reach, and set you on the path to lasting financial freedom. By consistently prioritizing your savings and investments, you can build a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Most people operate from a scarcity mindset when it comes to money. They focus on what they lack and feel like there's never enough to go around. This leads to impulsive spending, debt accumulation, and a constant feeling of financial stress. Paying yourself first requires a fundamental mindset shift. It's about adopting an abundance mentality, believing that there's always enough money to cover your needs and achieve your goals. It's about understanding that investing in yourself is not selfish, it's essential. When you prioritize saving and investing, you're telling yourself that you're worthy of financial security and freedom. You're shifting your focus from immediate gratification to long-term prosperity. This mindset shift won't happen overnight. It takes conscious effort and discipline, but the rewards are well worth it. So how do you actually implement this pay yourself first principle? It's easier than you think. First, decide how much you can realistically afford to save each month. Start with a small amount. Even 5% of your income can make a difference. As you get comfortable, gradually increase this percentage. Next, set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a separate savings or investment account. This takes the decision-making out of the equation and ensures that you're consistently saving money before you have a chance to spend it. Remember, paying yourself first is a non-negotiable expense. Just like you wouldn't skip paying your rent or mortgage, you shouldn't skip paying yourself. We live in a world of instant gratification. It's easy to get caught up in the cycle of spending and forget about saving for the future. That's where automation comes in. By automating your savings, you're essentially putting your financial goals on autopilot. You don't have to rely on willpower or discipline. The money is automatically transferred to your savings or investment account before you can even think about spending it. Most banks offer automatic transfer services that allow you to schedule recurring transfers between your accounts. You can choose the amount, frequency, and start date. Once you set it up, you can sit back, relax, and watch your savings grow. Section 5, Starting Small, Dreaming Big. The Power of Compound Growth. Don't let the thought of saving large sums of money intimidate you. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you think about the future and the amount of money you might need. But remember, every journey begins with a single step. The beauty of compound growth is that even small, consistent contributions can add up to significant wealth over time. Just like a tiny seed can grow into a mighty tree, your small savings can grow into a substantial nest egg. Compounding is like a snowball effect. Imagine rolling a small snowball down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. Similarly, your savings grow as they earn interest, and then that interest earns interest, creating a powerful cycle of growth. The money you save earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and so on. This process continues, and over time, the growth becomes exponential. The longer your money compounds, the faster it grows. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to compound growth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. For example, let's say you invest $100 per month with an average annual return of 7%. It might not seem like much at first, but the magic of compounding works best over long periods. After 30 years, you would have over $100,000. This is because your initial investments, along with the interest they earn, continue to grow and multiply. That's the power of compound growth. It's a simple, yet incredibly effective way to build wealth over time. The key is to start early and be consistent. Setting up an automatic savings plan can help you stay on track without having to think about it. Even if you can only afford to save a small amount right now, every little bit counts. Over time, those small amounts will grow, thanks to the power of compounding. So start today, no matter how small, and watch your savings grow. Section 6, Overcoming Obstacles, Excuses versus Solutions. It's easy to come up with excuses for not paying yourself first. We often find ourselves caught in a cycle of procrastination and justification. Common excuses include, "I don't make enough money," or "I have too many expenses." "I'll start saving later," we tell ourselves, pushing the responsibility to a future date that never seems to arrive. But the truth is, there's always a way to make it work if you're willing to make it a priority. It starts with a shift in mindset. If you're struggling to find extra money in your budget, start by tracking your spending for a month. This simple act can be eye-opening. You might be surprised to see where your money is actually going. Small, seemingly insignificant purchases can add up quickly. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money towards your savings goals. This process requires discipline and commitment. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about making conscious choices with your money. It's about prioritizing your future over immediate gratification. Every dollar you save is a dollar invested in your future. Think of it as planting seeds today for a bountiful harvest tomorrow. By taking control of your finances, you're not just saving money, you're building a foundation for financial freedom and peace of mind. Overcoming excuses and finding solutions is a journey. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. But the rewards are worth it. You gain not only financial stability, but also a sense of empowerment and confidence in your ability to manage your money wisely. And remember, your journey can inspire others. By sharing your experiences and strategies, you can help those around you overcome their own financial obstacles. Together, we can create a culture of financial responsibility and success. So, the next time you find yourself making an excuse, pause and think about the solution. What steps can you take today to move closer to your financial goals? The power to change is in your hands. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and keep pushing forward. Your future self will thank you. Section 7. Real-life transformations, stories of financial freedom. Countless individuals have transformed their financial lives by adopting the pay-yourself-first principle. Take Sarah, for example. She was stuck in a cycle of debt and living paycheck to paycheck. Determined to break free, she committed to saving 10% of her income each month. At first, it was tough. She had to make sacrifices and cut back on unnecessary expenses. But she stayed disciplined, and within a year, she had paid off her credit card debt and built a comfortable emergency fund. Today, Sarah is debt-free, financially secure, and living her best life. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of paying yourself first. It's not a quick fix but a long-term strategy that can lead to lasting financial freedom. Section 8. The long game: building a secure and fulfilling future. Paying yourself first is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about creating a life of financial security, freedom, and fulfillment. When you're financially secure, you have the freedom to pursue your passions, take calculated risks, and live life on your own terms. You're not bound by financial constraints or burdened by debt. Moreover, financial security brings peace of mind. You can sleep soundly at night knowing that you have a safety net to fall back on in case of emergencies. You can face the future with confidence and optimism. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Paying yourself first is more than just a budgeting technique. It's a fundamental mindset shift that can transform your relationship with money and set you on the path to lasting financial freedom. By prioritizing your financial well-being, automating your savings, and staying committed to your goals, you can achieve financial security, pursue your passions, and live a life of abundance. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start today by committing to pay yourself first, and watch as your financial future unfolds in ways you never thought possible. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. I bet you didn't know the key to financial freedom in 2025 is simpler than you think. Pay yourself first. Save a portion of your income before anything else. It's the first step to building wealth and securing your future. Start today. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.